Oh, watch me coccyx. Now you're talking. And go! You know what? If you nod to a scooterist and they don't nod back, they should be shot. Pedestrian in the road. Better say goodbye now in case I either run out of battery or die. 40? Oh, how thoroughly dull. Bally Ho, everyone. Well, commuting back from work, I had airport standby starting at 6 o'clock, so I got up at silly o'clock, 3:30 I believe, and posted a picture on Instagram and all that sort of thing. And I've chosen the fun way home on the Beeline, so instead of being an hour and 25 minutes, it's 2 hours 5 minutes. So we shall see where the Beeline takes us, shall we? It's Beeline number 1, so it's not the latest Beeline 2. Logic there is obvious. Much better display and functions on the Beeline 2, but I'm quite happy with my Beeline 1, quite frankly, so I'm not going to just waste £200 for the sake of an upgrade. So until this one dies, which the way it's made probably might even be never, we're going to keep with the Beeline 1, unless of course my squadron says I must get the Beeline 2 because it's just awesome and I have to have the best of everything. But I don't think that, but they do, for I am the captain. Ha ha! And it's 27 degrees C. It's the middle of the day. It's 1:10 in the afternoon. Nice day for it. Whoop whoop. So I've been a bit AWOL. I've been having to edit, I don't know, tours and silly things like that. Managed to do a couple of reviews recently. I still need to review the Norton again with a bike that isn't broken, but interestingly enough, the comments are sort of split 50-50. Half the comments are, it's shit, you're quite right. The other half of the comments are, oh, you did it dirty, and it's actually a lovely motorcycle. In fact, one of the squadrons bought one and says it's brilliant. So, yeah, maybe I'll nick his and be able to absolutely lambast that, or hopefully have my mind changed, because I do love the Norton Commando. I think it's an amazing bike, and I've been yearning after Norton Commando for, well, since probably about 2012 or 2014 or something like that. It's a long time ago. I forget. I'm old and crusty and grey now. Huzzah! Well, so this is kind of a vlog, bit of fun. It might be cut right down to just a you know, bit of music and 2 minutes, but knowing how I waffle on, it's probably going to be some hideous diatribe where it'll be useful for you all to go to sleep to. Ha-ha! Huzzah! Onwards and upwards, as some YouTube friends of mine say, and the more up the merrier, as it were. Ha-ha! Huzzah! Oh, the noise! The mighty roar of the Merlin! It's absolutely splendid. Yes! Yes, yes! Save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me. Well, I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon, in the summertime, in the summertime. It's difficult to sing with earplugs in, it really is. You know what, if you nod to a scooterist and they don't nod back, they should be shot. Don't they know who I am and their station in this world? They should bloody bow back, let alone bloody nod back. Gee whiz. Love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. Oh, watch me coccyx. Ah. Oh, yes. Oh, Merlin. Listen to you roar. That's it, boy. Well done. Well done. Yes, very good. Oh, yes. So good. Now you're talking. And go! Whee! Oh, just such a sound. Yes. I've missed it. See, this morning on my commute, I just sat at 70, it was a bit chilly, on the dual carriageway and just put the cruise control on in 6th gear and just went pop, 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 pop along. But now I'm really having some fun. Whee! Pay attention, Captain. Yee-hee-hee! Oh, I'm screaming like cabin crew between my thighs. No, I didn't say that. No, I didn't say that. That was highly unprofessional. But I meant it. Ah, lovely. Whee! There are a lot of roundabouts around here, aren't there? Bloody hell, it's almost like Milton Keynes. Bigglesworth and hit some diesel, eh? That wouldn't be very good on Merlin, but I'm sure Merlin would take it with aplomb. Merlin would lie down and drink it for breakfast, yes. Whee! I've got a full tank of fuel. The bike was recently serviced. Oh, splendid! So, what have we done? What have we done? What have we done? Done 21,000 miles. Gosh, look at that. 21,279. Whoop, whoop. Yes, now you're talking. La 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 la. I've done 842 miles since 20,000 miles service. Where I had the valves checked and all that fun shit. Look at that. Whee! Now you're talking. Now, I didn't go over the white line at all for that, so I was allowed to do that, you see? Yes, absolutely. Yes. Hello, sir. Oh, well, of course, you're a GS wanker, aren't you? So, yes. Riding along on your wanker tanker, you can't be bothered with some heroic triumph rider nodding at you. Pervert. Be a wee for my shadow and me. Ba-da-da-dum-bum. Bally Ho! Ha ha ha! Now, better say goodbye now in case I either run out of battery or die. Ha 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 ha! Well done, Beeline. Bloody good show. Oh, I've caught up with a Mazda. Now, for those that grew up watching men behaving badly, all I'm going to say is Mazda. Whee! Oh, you boring bastards. Why are there people coming? I was having a lovely time until that happened. It's clear, it's clear, it's clear, it's triumph! Yes! Come on, Merlin! Okay, I'm not going that fast, really. Honest scum. Whee! 40? Oh, how thoroughly dull. Oh, all right then. If you're going to make me. Boring. Oh, what a day, everybody. What a day. This is day 5 of 6 of work, of early starts. And, yes, finished at midday. So, loads of time to myself today. No rush to get home. Children aren't getting home until about 4:15. Lovely. Oh, I can actually enjoy this. Well, I hope you're all well anyway. Poor Hippodrones, fuck me, had a heart attack. He's alright, but bloody hell, that was a bit of a shock. So this is a rather fun road from St. Neots to Kimbolton. Yes, absolutely. I don't get this ridiculous thing about not going fast on a naked bike. It's perfectly acceptable to go fast on a naked bike. I mean, what the bloody hell's a speed triple for? "30 anchors." Well, the brakes work. Nice. So yes, I've just been very busy with work and family, and when I've got any spare time, it's normally only half a day, and I'm bloody knackered. So going out on the bike isn't, not only is it not advisable, but too tired to be bothered, to be fair. I do need to borrow a few bikes. Oh, the last one was a Triumph Scrambler 400, I believe. His first ever one pot. Yeah, I did like that bike. So, oh, someone's asked me to review the Speed Twin 400. Speed 400, or something like that. So, just to try and make a comparison between that and the Scrambler. Time to scare the locals, shall we? Bit of wall action, yes. I think I'm getting a hint. I need to slow down. Pedestrian in the road. I may have accelerated towards the pedestrian. I think when you don't ride for a while and you've got a bad back, I don't anymore, huzzah, but you know, you just think, well, it's a bit too much hassle to go on the bike. And then you go on the bike on a day like today with not that much traffic and roads like this. You remember how much fun it is to be able to do this. Probably shouldn't be giggling on a motorbike at miles an hour, but there we go. It's all shits and giggles. Giggling like a lunatic, yes. Power! Bye! Lovely to see you. Bye! It's like when I get sent photographs unsolicited, and I just go, oh, what a day! Suck my exhaust! Ha 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 ha! But apart from getting absolutely massive bug splats on me, I'm having a rather nice time. Yes, absolutely. Might need to clean the jacket when I get home. And the trousers. 3, 2, 1, go! Welcome to the country's best county. Welcome to Northamptonshire. Well, at Merlin, you can still tank along, eh? Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, wow. There's some traffic up ahead, but oh well. Gravel, Bigglesworth, gravel! Pussy. Right, well, as I've said before, thank you very much for joining me. A little bit of a catch-up. Hope to see you all very soon. Need to do more content. I'll try. Tally Bally Ho! Huzzah! Enjoy this wonderful week of sunshine in Blighty. Ha ha!